Today, we're rolling with Coby to put up a 30 by 60 foot tent. This is one of the biggest tents we have at Kelly Rentals. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Why didn't y'all start all the way on this side first and work your way to that side since that's the side you're coming on? Most of the time, just start the 20 over here. That way you're working your way to where y'all coming in anyway. Rather than put those first and then working your way all the way over here.
Man, I heard that before.
You want to load smarter, not harder. You want to work.
This is my first time loading up, but you told us the same shit.
Yeah. Anytime you're doing anything, you taking something off the truck and you're going somewhere, you want to work further back close to where you're coming from. If you're taking off concrete blocks, you want to do the furthest blocks first and then work your way close to the truck rather than do the front ones and now you're working away from it.
While we were loading up, Coby realized that we were missing a couple tables for this order. The plan was to drive to the location Fluffy was at so that we could grab a couple extra tables to complete the customer's order that was coming to pick up, and to grab some tables so that we could complete the 60 by 30 foot setup.
All right, we just finished dropping off the 2 tables that the warehouse need for customer pickup. We got the 10 tables that we need for our order. Now we're on our way to Solana. We're 42 minutes out to do the 30 by 60 and give them their chairs and tables and the light.
So boom. Right now, currently, we in downtown Dallas. We're here to help Akira. Her van broke down and smoking and stuff like that. So right now, currently, Coby's out there helping her with that. He told me to stay in the car because it's gonna get ugly. Just know that, hiccups come up, things pop up, and it'll be all right. We're gonna move past it. Definitely.
This order consisted of a 60 by 30 foot tent, some string lights, about 10 8-feet tables, and then 80 of our brown foldable chairs.
All right, we lacing up a 30 by 60. The loop goes through the ring, back to the next one, and then pull through the next hole, through the loop, back, through the next hole, through the loop, back. Let's just rinse and repeat until you get it laced all the way up.
The main issue dealing with this tent was the size of it. It was very windy that day, so we had to make sure that the tent cover didn't catch any air or we'd be up in the air flying with the tent.
We got the middle poles in. Now we're gonna straighten up all these poles.
Yeah.
We're gonna straighten up the perimeter and go ahead and strap them, ratchet them in tight. Essentially, the only thing holding these poles up are this tent up are these poles and these straps. You can't move it? Dang it.
It took a lot of strength and teamwork to get the poles and straps secure for the tent, but it got done, and it got done pretty well if I say so myself. I want to say we finished the tent setup around like 6.
All right, everybody. Just wrapped up a 30 by 60 with lights, 10 tables, 80 chairs. Looking real nice. Whew.
Yeah.
Let me pop it off.
Oh, I don't understand. Oh, was you recording that?
Say that again in the mic real quick.
No.
That's it for this tent setup. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, drop a comment below, and if you want to see more content like this, click the playlist right here.